How to create a link tree on Instagram. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and search for Linktree. Click on the official Linktree website. Once the page loads, tap on the option to claim your Linktree. Now you will need to sign up. Enter a username, which can be your Instagram handle or any other name you prefer. Tap on Claim Your Linktree. On the next page, you can sign up using your email or another account. After signing up, you will be asked to choose a template. You can select a free template and skip any premium options if you don't want to pay. Once you've selected a template, tap Continue. Now you can start adding links. Tap on Add New Link and enter the URLs for any websites, social media pages, or other links you want to share. You can add multiple links and customize the appearance of your Linktree page. Once you've finished adding links, look at the page where you will see your Linktree URL. It will look like link.e/yourusername. Copy this link. Now, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile, then find the Website or Links section. Paste your Linktree URL into this field and save the changes. Now, when someone visits your Instagram profile and taps on the link in your bio, they will see all the links you added to Linktree. That's how to create a Linktree on Instagram.